Today, a federal judge in Seattle has hit the pause button on President Donald Trump's order to halt birthright citizenship, at least for now. The judge calling the order blatantly unconstitutional. CNN's Lee Waldman explains birthright citizenship and what's next as the legal battles begin to ramp up.
Birthright citizenship means that if you're born on U.S. soil, you're a citizen. It's been around for over a century, and it's guaranteed by the 14th Amendment. It's also been upheld by the U.S. Supreme Court, and there's a federal law passed by Congress.
This next order relates to the definition of birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment of the United States.
A court battle is brewing over President Donald Trump's executive order declaring an end to birthright citizenship. But the CEO of the National Constitution Center says the 14th Amendment is clear.
Ever since the amendment was passed in the 19th century, that's been interpreted to mean that if you're born in the United States, you're automatically a citizen, whether or not your parents are here legally.
The 14th Amendment resulted from overturning the 1857 Dred Scott decision, which denied citizenship to black people and upheld slavery in U.S. territories. The executive order keys in on one phrase in the amendment, subject to the jurisdiction thereof.
They're suggesting that if you're here illegally or your parents are here illegally, they have allegiance to a foreign power, in other words, another government, and therefore that you're not a citizen.
Rosen says trying to end birthright citizenship isn't a simple task.
Basically, the Supreme Court would have to change its mind and reject an interpretation of birthright citizenship that goes back more than 100 years.
The executive order aims to end birthright citizenship for children born after it was signed, but Hiroshi Motomura, immigration scholar at UCLA, says he worries about the thousands of people born before.
That creates a precariousness that I think has a real potential to undermine societal cohesion for many people in this country.
The temporary restraining order issued by a federal judge on Thursday halts the implementation of President Trump's executive order for the next 14 days while legal briefings are held. This is shaping up for what could be the first Supreme Court battle of Trump's second term. In New York, I'm Lee Waldman.